ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Welcome everybody to the channel. If you're new here, my name's the Rusty Bartender, and we are making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. So I've got a bit of a cold at the minute, so if you couldn't understand my accent before, you've got absolutely no chance now. But today's cocktail is the improved whiskey cocktail, so hopefully a bit of whiskey can cure me. Welcome to episode 14. Let's go. All right, so what does Steve's book say about this cocktail? It says that this recipe is a perfect example of how subtle changes to a cocktail can have a profound effect on a drink's flavor profile. So, obviously we're using our whiskey's rye. We've got maraschino liqueur for a bit of sweetness. We've got a little bit of absinthe, which is going to give it that anise flavor. Angostura bitters, the salt and pepper of all cocktails, and a bit of simple syrup. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get sick, my body hangs out for whiskey drinks, hot toddies late at night, whiskey and lemon. Ugh, it's not called the water of life for nothing. All right, so we're gonna start off by grabbing our mixing glass. We're gonna go 2 ounces of our rye whiskey. We are using Michter's rye. Then we're going to go 1/4 ounce of our maraschino liqueur. You don't want to go overboard on this, totally change the flavor. Going to go 1/4 ounce of our simple syrup. Two dashes of Angostura. We're going to add ice to our mixing glass. I'm going to give this a stir for 15 to 20 seconds. Ooh, this is going to be good. In Steve's book, it says add a dash of absinthe to your glass as a rinse. I've got my absinthe in a little atomizer. I'm just going to spray it into the glass. Oh, the anise. Once you've added your absinthe, add a nice big chunk of ice to your glass, and then strain over. Perfect. Now we're going to have a nice lemon twist as garnish. And that, guys, is the improved whiskey cocktail. What do you think? Huh? Let's give it a little sippy sip. Obviously very similar to kind of an old-fashioned. You've got the whiskey, you've got the Angostura bitters, you get your syrup, you've got the anise coming through, and the maraschino liqueur gives it, I wouldn't say more sweetness, but almost a nuttiness to it. This is very delicious. I wonder what this would be like as a hot drink as well. I think it might be nice. Put a wee bit of honey instead of the simple syrup. Delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Apparently the buttons light up down below. I don't know, let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna go down the corner with gold here. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.